Hi there, welcome to another episode of Islamic Quiz. Today's topic is companions of the Prophet, peace and blessing be upon him. Let's begin. Who was the last living companion? Anas ibn Malik was considered as the last of the prominent companions to die. Who was the wealthiest companion? Abdurrahman was considered the richest Sahaba. Which companion, when he died, the throne of Allah shook? Sa'ad ibn Mu'adh, who was from the Ansars of Medina. Who was the first person to accept Islam? Khadija, the wife of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Who was the first person martyred for accepting Islam? Sumayya, may Allah be pleased with her. Which companion was called Lion of Allah? Hamza, who was also the uncle of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Hamza was killed by a slave who later became a Muslim. Who was this slave? Washi killed Hamza with his spear. Which Sahaba led the prayer when the Prophet, peace be upon him, was ill? Abu Bakr was ordered to lead the Salah. Who is the only Sahabi who is mentioned by name in the Quran? Zayd is the only Sahabi to be mentioned by name in the Quran. Which companion spoke to King Najashi in Abyssinia? Ja'far ibn Abi Talib, may Allah be pleased with him. Which companion was the Prophet, peace be upon him, best friend? Abu Bakr was the best friend of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Who was the first child to accept Islam? Ali ibn Abi Talib was the first child to accept Islam. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more video.